Hi, good day to everyone. I am Michelle Ana Masberto and we will talk about measurement. Measurement is used to find a number that shows the size or amount of a quantity. Here we will discuss the US standard length of measurement. So, these are the most common unit of measurement that we use every day. The inches, feet, yards, and miles. So, small units of length are called inches. The last joint of your finger or thumb is about 1 inch, depending on how big your fingers are. So, an inch is defined as exactly 2.54 centimeter in a metric measurement naman yon. So, lots of things are measured in inches from rainfall to paper length. Measuring inches gives us a way for everyone to understand the size of something. So, when we have 12 inches together, it is known as a foot. So, means 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. A long time ago, people used their feet to measure things, but everyone has different sizes of feet, diba? So it did not work very well. So using 12 inches put together to make 1 foot. So let's everyone have an accurate picture of what exactly a foot of length is. So when 3 feet are together, it is called a yard. So this isn't the same thing as a garden, though they are both referred to as a yard. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. The length of this guitar is about 1 yard. So next is when we put together, so 1,760 yards, we have miles. So 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards and also equal to 5,280 feet. So miles are long distances and are mostly used to measure the distance between places which are far away from each other. So most people refer to miles when they are driving, biking, or jogging. So, the final thoughts about measuring length is 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet and also equal to 36 inches. And then 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards and also equal to 5,280 feet. And also 63,360 in inches. So you need to remember this US standard unit of measurement. So let's proceed in converting US standard unit of length. So the first thing that you need to know in converting is that when you are converting a larger unit of length to a smaller unit of length, you should multiply. So when we look here at, ayan, so example here is 4 feet is equal to some number of inches. So feet is a larger of unit of length, diba? Compared to inches, which is much shorter or smaller unit of length that make a feet. So we are going to multiply by the number of inches in a foot to get how many inches are in 4 feet. So I'm going to multiply here by 12 because 12 it's how many inches are in a foot, diba? So 4 times 12 is 48. So 4 feet is equal to 48 inches. And similarly down here, second example is 2 miles is equal to some number of feet. So we know that mile is a larger unit of length compared to feet because this much longer and feet make up mile. So once again, I'm going to multiply to find out how many feet make up 2 miles. I need to multiply by, so 5,280, because that is how many feet in 1 mile, diba? So go ahead, multiply the 5,280 times 2. So the answer is 10,560 feet in 2 miles. The second thing that you need to know in converting a smaller unit of length is a unit of length to a larger unit of length. You should divide. So I have an example here. So 60 inches equal to some number of feet. So inches is smaller unit of measurement compared to feet. So we are going to divide to get the smaller number of feet, which represent the same number of a larger number of inches. So here we go. We are going to divide by the number of inches in a feet. So 60 divided by 12 is 5. So 5 feet is equal to 60 inches. And 24 feet, and next example is 24 feet is equal to some number of yards. So feet is smaller unit of length to compare to yard, diba? And I know that a yard is made up of 3 feet. So I'm going to divide by 3 on how many yard is in 24 feet. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. So that comes to a total of 8 yards. And that's all about converting in US standard unit of length. Thank you for listening.